Hello everyone, welcome to Unmuted Fridays. I am Deep Kumar, along with me I have Aditya.
Hi everyone.
Today our topic is consolidated shipping for multiple orders. Now, this is a problem which a lot of our business owners have faced. Business owners who are associated with APPSeCONNECT, they have faced this problem where maybe their customers are ordering multiple times through their website. Now, what happens is generally in the orthodox method, whenever a customer orders something, one shipping is created for that order is fulfilled. Now, if within a span of let's say 2 or 3 days before the order is even dispatched, if they are ordering twice or thrice, in that case, the business owner has to pay for that extra carrier charge every time they have to ship an order separately. When they are noticing that these orders are going to the same customer, it is not necessary to send the orders separately. It would be much better for both the end customer as well as the business owner if they can combine all these orders into a single shipment and then send it to the customer. Now, how this is a win-win situation for both the parties? First of all, in case of the business owners, they don't have to go through so much of picking and packing for different orders when they know they are going to go to the same customer. They are also saving a lot of money on shipping charges because in case they have to ship 2 or 3 orders separately, they are paying a delivery charge every time to the shipping courier provider. Okay, but this also is a problem for the customer because they will have to track multiple orders, where those orders are at this moment, when they are going to receive it, as well as they are also paying a hefty amount as delivery charge whenever they are placing 2-3 orders separately. Because in those orders, the delivery charge is getting charged to the customer as well. So it's a loss for both the parties, as well as it hampers the customer experience to a great extent. And for the business owners, it also means that their warehouse team has to go through a lot of processes to ensure that they pack the orders separately. A lot of picking and packing material is wasted, and all of this amounts to a huge problem when it is done for let's say a year. It shows definitely in the revenue that the business is generating. So APPSeCONNECT has solved this problem for multiple customers. Now I have Aditya along with me who is going to guide or give us an example of how we have helped such customers during our tenure in APPSeCONNECT and how that impacted their business. So over to you, Aditya.
Yeah. So I will take an example of one of the customer who is using SAP as their ERP system and Shopify as their e-commerce system. So they come up with a problem to us that they have seen that the multiple orders are having the same Shopify shipping address and the same contact person details. So they're facing the issue like they have to send the orders with the different shipping and different at the multiple shipping. Okay, so we suggested them what we can do is that we can create a single delivery note in their SAP, which will have a UDF where they can store the Shopify order IDs.
And we are helping them maintain those Shopify order IDs in those UDF?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So that Shopify orders ID will be stored over there, and we will design a process flow which will be responsible for syncing the tracking information, or you can say the shipping information, which is present in SAP once the delivery note is being fulfilled, or you can say the order is being fulfilled, ready to fulfill from the SAP system. So once the tracking information is available on SAP, what we are doing is that through our process flow, we are taking the tracking information from the SAP and we are pushing those details back to the Shopify, not for the single Shopify orders, but for the every Shopify order which are consolidated in to the SAP delivery note document.
Right. So you're sending it across all the Shopify orders which are there synced into SAP.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
That is very helpful for the end customer as well because they don't have to monitor multiple tracking information.
Yes.
And they can just focus on only one.
Mhm.
And it also enhances their experience as a customer, because who is not happy when all their orders are delivered at a
Yes,
single time?
absolutely.
Because whenever we order something, we are just waiting when is it going to arrive at our houses.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
So that's a great situation. Accordingly, the customer is also saving a lot in the delivery charges, right?
Yes, as well as their operational time.
Yeah, for the business owner.
Yes.
For the business owner, yes, there's a lot of operational efficiency. Their warehouse management team doesn't have to dispatch and go through all those data maintenance for different orders. They can just pick the order items, pack them into a single unit and dispatch them.
Mhm. Yes.
Right? So, as you can understand, this is how a customizable solution or customizable product like APPSeCONNECT can be helpful in managing or tackling these kind of situations. As you can see that with this solution, there's a win-win situation for everyone. We as a solution provider are happy because we are being able to add value to our customers who are the business owners. And from the business owners and the end customers point of view, it's a win-win situation for both, because for the end customers, they are saving a lot of money on their shipping charges, and same goes for the business owners. They are also saving a lot of time, effort, and in turn money by improving their operational efficiency, because their employees or warehouse management team doesn't have to go through that cumbersome process of going through each and every order separately, packing them separately and dispatching them separately. All goes into a single unit. And in turn, this can have huge impacts in the revenue that the business is going to make in the coming years. Because this might seem to be a small thing, but for a lot of customers who are repeat customers, who repeatedly come to the website to order, for them and for businesses like those, it's a great situation. It's a very profitable situation for them. With this, I believe you are able to understand about how impactful this solution can be for the business owners. And APPSeCONNECT can help you with more situations like this in the future regarding any other customizable solution. So that's it from our end for today. That's the topic that we had today, that consolidated shipment for multiple orders. Thank you everyone for joining in. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you.
Thank you.